Hello and thank you so much for tuning in to this another edition of our toy review. This time I'm featuring you know uh, my 4-year-old one of my 4-year-old toys. Actually nabili ko to noong 2008. Today is 2012. His name is Acid Storm. Okay. Um para sa akin kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka special though. Pero the fact na Transformer character siya, well, bibigyan natin siya ng advantage of course and a tribute to him as well. Okay, just to give you a background, si Acid Storm kasi isa siya sa mga characters sa Cybertron. Hindi siya actually napunta ng Earth. Isa siya sa mga guards ng Cybertron, and dun sa cartoon series, hindi siya nagiging jet, kundi parang Cybertron yan, aircraft something, parang halaya, yung parang kakanin na tatsulok. And character niya is nagpaulan siya ng parang nagpahina sa mga Autobots. Hindi ko lang maalala yung exact episode ko ano yung pamagat nun, but yun yung exposure ni Acid Storm. Pero back in 2008, ayan, ni-revive yung character niya as a jet. And so much with that. Let's take a look at him. Okay, not much of chrome for him here, except of course itong part na to. Actually, nung nabili ko to, I was really excited kasi I was thinking na i-customize ko siya para maging Starscream, kasi way back then wala pa akong Starscream noon. Just notice na etong part na to, yan. Parang merong articulation, hidden articulation, hindi ko maipaliwanag kung bakit may ganyan. Pero yeah, as you can see here, it's para siyang military jet, naka-fatigue. And ano pa rin siya, masikip pa rin yung mga joints niya to date. Imagine niyo 4 years na siya pero masikip pa rin yung mga joints niya. Mahusay yung pagkaka-craft sa kanya. So much with that, let's try to transform him. Yan. Alam nyo, same mold lang naman kasi yung ginamit kay Starscream, kay Thundercracker, and with this character. So, very similar lang naman yung niyan, transformation niyan. Pero what's special about him is that masikip yung kanyang mga joints. I don't know kung yung ibang Acid Storm toys masikipin din yun. So, ito yung hindi ko mahila Ayan. Okay. See. So, ito, bubukahin mo to. Kita mo yan? Okay, so, eto na. Oops, sorry. Kailangan mo palang palabasin yung mga braso. Ayan. Labas mo ang kamay. Dito. Hindi nyo makita, no? Ayan. For this one, ayan. Ito na yung tricky part, in which kailangan mong i-rotate to. Ayan. And balik mo yan dyan. Okay, lock. And there we go. And just like a Bioman robot. Ayan. Okay, there we go. Hindi pa actually tapos yan. Yung cannons niya, yan. Well, wala akong masabi. To date, astig pa rin siyang tignan. Not much well articulated action figure, pero pwede na rin. Actually, effort na nga ng Hasbro to para maging to revive the Starscream molds. It's really an effort na ginawa ng Hasbro dito. Maganda siya. The best pa rin itong na to. Actually, sa totoo lang, yung masterpiece na version ng Starscream, walang sinabi dito sa yung deluxe mold na ginamit dito sa dito sa mga action figure na to. Kasi yung ewan ko lang ngayon ako nag-release ng bago, pero yung masterpiece na Starscream, parang may dito may lawit dito. May lawit dyan, pero dito wala. Perfect siya, and kuha niya yung nasa cartoons, as is the Seeker character. Well, so much for that. I hope you enjoyed this toy review. Although luma na tong character na to. I hope, yeah. Sana i-like nyo, mag-leave kayo ng comment, or you can even post it on your Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. Magandang gabi. Bye-bye.